I am going to show you how to add multiple asphalt sample types from the same location in LASTRADA. The day's first asphalt sample, successive asphalt samples, retest samples, and QA test results or third-party test results are quickly added with one of 4 buttons in LASTRADA's asphalt testing module. To create the first asphalt sample of the day, or the first sample of a new mix, click the New Sample icon on the lower left corner of the screen. Next, select your mixing plant. Then you have a choice. You can select the mix design you are producing, or if you want to, you can select the blend settings that will also bring in the mix design parameters as well. Once you have made your selections, then you add other relevant sample information. Once I've added my other information, I'm going to hit save and start adding test results. When I am ready to take the next sample for the same mix, I use the New Sample Number 2 button here on the lower left. LASTRADA will copy the header information here at the top. It will give me a new sampling time, but it will clear out the sample-specific information at the bottom, as well as any test results. When you have a suspect test result, like this GMB value, and you want to retest that property, create a new version of the sample using this copy button on the lower left. LASTRADA will make a complete duplicate version of the sample, keeping a record of the original tests and new tests. You can see the sample shares the same sample number and header data, but it is now labeled with version 2. Rerun the test and add the new data. When adding QA test results or other test results performed at third-party labs, use the Copy To button here on the lower left to copy the header details, but not the test results. The test results are gone, my header data remains, and my version has been increased to number 3. Use these 2 checkboxes on the lower right to mark if the sample is an external sample performed at a third-party lab, or whether the sample is a verification sample. Thank you for watching. For more practical pointers and other helpful videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at lastradapartners.com/resources.